When you ask AI to make a picture of a cat astronaut on the moon, it does not start with a cute cat, a helmet, or even the moon. It starts with this random noise. Yep, before the image looks beautiful, it looks like a broken TV. First, AI reads your prompt, but not like a human reading a sentence. It breaks the words into useful pieces: cat, astronaut, moon, and cute. Then, those words become meaning vectors, basically directions for the image. Now here is the weird part. AI does not begin with a clean white canvas. It begins with messy noise. The job of the model is to slowly turn that noise into something that matches the prompt. This is the most important part, denoising. The AI looks at the noisy image and asks, "What should I remove next?" The prompt works like a visual GPS. It keeps pushing the image toward cat, astronaut, and moon. Step by step, the noise becomes rough shapes. Then objects appear, and finally, small details show up. So why can the same prompt create different images? Because the starting noise can be different. Think of it like rolling a dice before the image begins. Same prompt, different starting noise, different final image. But AI does not always get it right. Sometimes the image looks amazing until you zoom in. Extra fingers, weird text, strange objects. That happens because AI predicts patterns. It does not truly understand reality like humans do. So AI image generation is not instant magic. Your prompt becomes meaning. The model starts with noise. Then it removes noise again and again until the image finally matches the idea. Words guide noise into an image. If this made AI image generation easier to understand, hit like and subscribe for more simple tech explanations.